Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to see one more utility from VBA, which is user forms. So, let's get back to the sheet. So, I'm using the same sheet. Coming to the code. So, over here, you have different options like you have insert, insert a module, or insert a user form. So, I just inserted a module by, let me just delete it. No, I don't want to export before removing. Here, you can insert a user form. So I just click on this inserting a user form. So this is the panel which will be visible to you on the page. So this is a user form which will be visible. So I can again, as we have discussed in the previous two sessions, you can design your own thing over here, like a label. So properties for this label will be visible over here. So you can update the caption, first name. So it is like one more option. One good utility with this is it comes with a grid line. So it is good that or it gives you an option to design your page accordingly. Then there is a you can see there is a there's a text box as we had it in the previous session. You can have the same things like on double click event of that particular user form or on double click event of that particular text box. This is being invoked, so you can write the message box or you can write the code for it here. Next is you also have a combo box where you can select the range as list rows, range over here. Next is you can have a checkboxes, you can have a radio buttons. So it is similar to the one which we have seen in session number in the previous session number 37. So if you wish to have more details about it, you can go back to that session number 37 and have a look at it. So just the same properties. Like I'm not going to explain all you here again, but say some things over here. So again, as I said, you can add an image. We'll try to add the same image which we have added. Downloads and this image. You can see you can resize this image, or you can add a button. You can add a toggle button as well. And on double click event of this, this will be executed. So this particular subroutine will be executed. So this is how you have this particular this user form. So what you can do is, so to show this user form, what you can do is you can write a subroutine session 39, and we'll say user form 1 dot show. What it will do is, like, on execution of this this subroutine, this user form will be shown, and on click event of this button, this user form will be hidden. User form 1 dot hide. So let's try it out. Let me create a form control button as I have written a subroutine in module 39. So if I click over here, so you can see that user form have popped out. So I can write the data. I don't have a data over here in the drop down, that's why it is saying blank. I can have a radio button over here, anything like, and if you click on this command button, that user form will be hidden. Again, if you come over here, so that's how you can add a user form and add options to it. You can have multiple user forms over here. Like you can call one user from another user form. So you can have a multiple pages around it, wherein you can link it, like on click event of like here. We did it in that one of the subroutines where after clicking a button, that particular user form will be opened up. You can design in that particular way. After clicking on that on a button on one user form, another user form will be popped out. So that can be configured. So that's all I have for this particular video. In the next video, we'll try and use these options in these user forms to create a sample user form, and we'll show you how can we get the data in the similar way. Till then, thank you.